Carpio 2.0 was a success, but gamers disagreed. Our community uncovered two major issues. They hated the lack of control and stability, and the padding just couldn't handle the intensity of a true gaming session. Our team worked overtime on creating multiple solutions. Each prototype had a specific strapping mechanism. We tested out 9 different strap positions to ensure your Carpio stays on your wrist. Creating the padding that will suit every gamer was no easy task. The material was great, but there was no airflow. Just before the finish line, our community of beta testers came through. Spending hours on Zoom calls and reading your feedback gave us that final push. The last thing to do was to get an esports team to test our product. After 400 hours of gaming, only one question was left unanswered.
Attractive, and the other word I would probably go with adaptable.
Now I feel that I cannot imagine myself playing games without it. Don't have like those crazy movements that are incorrect and that can hurt you, but also everything goes smooth.
Seeing pro players crushing it with our product gave us the approval we needed. We can finally reveal to you Carpio G2.0. And here we are 12 months later. After all that testing, we finally have the perfect product. Implementing a strap eliminated the issue of constantly having to readjust your wrist rest. Your Carpio stays on your wrist at all times, thanks to the small, non-visible magnet in the left pad. Our new padding design allows for more air to flow through the padding, making your palms sweat less, even after long hours of using it. Carpio G2.0 is where gaming and ergonomics intersect. It puts your wrist in that perfect position while in no way compromising your performance. Less pain, better aim.